Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change your email on PayPal account. To change your email address on PayPal, launch open the PayPal application on your mobile device, or you can also visit paypal.com on a web browser. Make sure that you are logged into your account first. After you are signed in, go ahead and tap on the human icon at the top right corner. This will open up your profile section. Tap on Personal Info and under the account information, tap the See All button right next to Emails. Now, in order to change your email, you'll first need to add a new email address and set it to primary. Tap on the Add a New Email button at the bottom and then enter a new email address you would like to change to. After you type down the new email, make sure to tap on this Make this your primary email box and click on Confirm. Enter your PayPal account's current password in order to make the change and then tap on the Login button. Now you'll need to go ahead and look for your new email's inbox and you will then receive a verification code in it. When prompted, type down the code that you received on your new email and you will then be able to change your email address on PayPal. So that's how it's done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.